We arrived to Lucerne yesterday evening and we checked in at the hotel. They gave us a ticket that we can use for all the public transportation within the city. So the public transportation in the city is free if you live in the hotel within Lucerne. And then we bought a ticket to all means of transportation, including the train, the ferry, and the cable car, but only within Lucerne and Interlaken region. And this ticket is quite pricey. The price is 450 euro for 2 people for 3 days. So we can take any transportation and hopefully it is free. So right now we are on the ferry, which looks like this, and we are gonna go from Lucerne to Weggis. Unfortunately, we are not that lucky with the weather today. It's raining. Yesterday when we were riding in a bus, it was partially raining and partially sunny. So hopefully maybe later today or tomorrow it is sunny. But today it's like maybe 17 degrees, plus 17, and it's a light rain. So the mountains are not that much visible. Cable car from Weggis to mountain Rigi. We are at the top and there is no view because everything is in the cloud. The mist is everywhere. So I guess we'll have to come back here the day after tomorrow or tomorrow if it's shinier. Vitznau from the top of mountain Rigi, because it's really misty and there is nothing to see there, so we'll go back maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Approaching the final stop of the boat, and it actually takes around 2 hours to get here from Lucerne, maybe even more, because we stepped off and went up to the Rigi mountain and then took another ferry, but it's quite a long trip. Back from Fluelen back to Lucerne, and we'll probably just step off somewhere at one of the stops just to walk around a little bit. The weather has become a little better, the rain stopped, so we are a bit more lucky. We can see views right now. The views are amazing. Beckenried over here. It's unfortunately again a little bit misty, but still we will take a cart up to the top of the mountain. And we are all alone in this big cart cabin. At the top of this mountain, and there are plenty of cows with the bells at their necks, but unfortunately it's still raining. Almost the whole day today it's raining, so it's not very pleasant, but we'll still walk a little bit here, look around, watch these cows and all this greenery around. We don't have that much greenery in Abu Dhabi where we live. In a town, Beckenried. It's a really cute little Swiss town, as probably you would imagine a Swiss town. We took a cable cart to the top of the mountain. It's over there. It was unfortunately a bit misty, but now it's much better. And this town is really like a fairy tale town. And it's on the Lake Lucerne. Two types of boats here. One is like an old style from the beginning of the 20th century, and the second one is modern, where you can, where there is a restaurant, you can eat and drink as well. At this one there is an old-fashioned bar where they serve some drinks, but I don't think you can order any food. But this one looks really nice. So if you get a chance, try both.